Hello, this is Gio, and hey, I have another hotel tip of the day for you. You know, I do my fair share of traveling, and when I do, I stay at hotels. And the hardest thing about hotels is sleeping. And not only do you have to get used to the bed and the temperature, but you also have to get used to the light. Specifically, that stripe of bright light that glares at you from the curtains in the morning. And so for my tip. Now, in virtually all hotel rooms, there's a closet, and in the closet are hangers. And almost in every case, you see hangers with little clips. And it's these clips that are the key. You take your hanger with the clips to the curtain. You grab the two ends of fabric, making the gap, and you hook them with the clips. And voila, the gap of light is gone. Unfortunately, in this example, I still have a little bit of light left on the bottom, but it is a whole lot better than what it looked like before. Well, I hope this video helped you out. Happy sleeping. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.